So it seems like my dog is a bit depressed. He didn't eat his food this morning and he's acting a bit aloof. I've been a little busy, so he may have felt ignored. So step one is that I'm going to prepare some tasty food for him.
Come on, come sit down. Come over, sit. I got you some nice food. Good boy. Look what I got you, Baba.
And begin to feed him with my hands. After a while, he'll start eating on his own. I think I'll be spending some uninterrupted quality time with my dog. We'll brush his coat, give him a gentle calming massage, good old tummy rubs, and probably go for a ride or a walk and give him some tasty treats. I'm sure that will lighten his mood, and also mine. Just like humans, dogs can occasionally suffer from times of depression. Dogs feel the same basic emotions as humans do, including grief, fear, anger, happiness, sadness, and even possessiveness. There are many reasons why a dog may feel depressed, such as medical problem, lack of exercise, loss of a family member or a pet they were bonded to. When dogs are depressed, they often appear sad, lethargic, and withdrawn. Some dogs will stop eating or eat much less than usual. They may drink only minimal amounts of water and lose interest in play. You can help a depressed dog by keeping them engaged with healthy, fun activities and offering natural remedies if necessary. Engage them in activities that they enjoy most, such as a walk, a game of fetch, or a trip to the dog park, and follow the activities on a consistent basis, along with tasty, healthy treats. Love your pets and feed them healthy so they are happy. If you found this video fun and valuable, remember to hit that like button below, share it with your friends who own a dog, comment below with any tips you may have or suggestions, or simply share your experiences that you may have had with your dog's health condition so that the community of dog owners who watch this video can benefit from the information. If you are new here, welcome, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to read your comments, and I'll see you soon.
Go drink water. Good boy.